Do you play sports? Which ones?
Yes, I love playing sports. My favorites are soccer and basketball.
What was the hardest thing you had to do today?
The hardest thing I had to do today was a math quiz. It was tricky.
Does your team have a name?
Our team does not have a name, but we call ourselves the Super Strikers.
What is your favorite thing to do on the weekend?
On the weekends, I love going to the park and playing with my friends.
Do you prefer to spend your time inside or outside?
I prefer spending my time outside. I like playing in the sunshine.
Do you like to draw? What kinds of things do you draw?
Yes, I love to draw. I draw all kinds of things like animals and superheroes.
What do you do when you get home from school?
When I get home from school, I usually do my homework and then play with my toys.
Do you like to do puzzles? What about word puzzles, number puzzles?
I enjoy doing puzzles, especially jigsaw puzzles. They are so much fun.
Does your family go on a vacation each year?
My family goes on vacation every year. Last time, we went to the beach.
Where does your family go on vacation?
The most exciting place I have been to in the past year was Disneyland.
Where is the most exciting place you have been in the past year?
The most exciting place I have been to in the past year was Disneyland.
Do you have a bike?
Yes, I have a bike. It's red with cool racing stripes. I like it because it's fast.
What does it look like?
My favorite movie ever is The Incredibles. I love the superheroes in it.
Why do you like it?
The last movie I saw was Toy Story 4, and I loved it because the toys are funny.
What is your favorite movie ever?
My favorite movie ever, The Jungle Book.
What was the last movie you saw?
My favorite, I watched The Jungle Book last weekend, and it was super cool.
Did you like it or not, and why?
It depends on what it is. If it's ice cream, I love it because it's yummy. If it's doing homework, not so much.
What is the best toy that you have?
My best toy is my superhero action figure. I can make them save the day.
Do you like to read?
Yeah, I like reading stories with lots of pictures.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Where the Wild Things Are. I love the wild monsters.
What is your favorite computer game?
I really like playing Minecraft. I can build cool stuff in there.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, video games are super fun. I get to be a hero in them.
What kind of video game system do you have?
I have a PlayStation, and it's awesome.
What is your favorite game to play on Wii, Xbox, etc.?
On my Xbox, I love playing Fortnite with my friends.
Do you have a portable game system like a PSP or DS? Which one?
I have a Nintendo Switch. It's great for playing games on the go.
Do you like to go out to eat?
Going out to eat is cool. I like pizza and ice cream places.
What is your favorite place to eat?
I really like the burger place with the playground.
Who has the best kids' meal toys right now?
The fast food place with the toy I like the most has the best toys.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and songs from my favorite movies.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is the one from the movie with the bare necessities, The Jungle Book.
Do you like to dance?
Yeah, I love dancing, especially when my favorite song is playing.
Do you know how to play any instruments? Which ones?
I play the little keyboard and sometimes the drums. It's so much fun.
What is your favorite genre of music?
I like songs with catchy tunes and fun beats, so pop music is my favorite.
What would you do if you made the rules at home?
I would have more ice cream and no bedtime. But also, I would be nice to my little brother.
What is your favorite thing that we do here each week?
My favorite is when we have movie night and eat popcorn.
What is your least favorite thing that we do here each week?
I don't like cleaning my room. That's not fun at all.
What have we done in the past that you would like to see again?
Can we have a fun family picnic in the park again? That was awesome.
What does your dream life look like?
My dream life has lots of adventures, a big treehouse, and a never-ending supply of candy.
What makes you happy?
Playing with my friends, getting ice cream, and getting stickers.
What would your best day be like?
It sounds like a fantastic day. My best day would be going to an amusement park with my family and riding all the rides.
What do you like to do most when you go to a playground?
I love swinging on the swings and going down the slide are classic and enjoyable activities at the playground.
If you opened a store, what would you sell?
I would sell toys, candy, and maybe even ice cream. That would be amazing.
Video, we've compiled simple and relatable conversations that you might encounter in your daily life. These conversations are not only a great way to improve your English but also to understand how English is spoken in real-life situations. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, you're in the right place. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos and also comment.